it's loud in your mommy's room, so we can't do that too much. Here you go. Here's your... Oh, wait. Jellyfish? Jellyfish? And then seaweed pillow. And turtle of music and light. And then we rock you. I'm spoiled. Yeah, just throw your little light up jellyfish. Don't get rid of him, Ayla. What are you trying to do? Who do you think you are? Ayla, we're gonna cease turtle action for that. Can you hear Mom typing? You hear Mom typing? Hey! Hey, Ayla. Ayla. What's the square root of 139,000? Oh, you know, you're just not telling. This baby knows everything. She can already talk and everything, she just doesn't want to. Super genius baby. That's kind of a dick sometimes. But right now you're not a dick, you're being sweet. Sort of, you're kind of being a little brat. No, you're being good. I take it back, you're being good. Now, anyway, ew, that's weird. That lights your face up really weird. That was very odd. Maybe it's the settings I have my lighting on. Ew. What's wrong with Ayla? Ayla, we need to go to the doctor. Something wrong with our kid. I don't know. I don't even know if this works or not. Do you see me, Ayla? Blue on my face, you see that? Oh, turtle on the face. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, I didn't mean to film myself anymore. You want this, don't you? Okay, let's go watch it.